Now that you have a profile, let's see all that Seedstages has to offer. As a student, tap the home icon to access your dashboard. Here you can find information about different companies and opportunities. Available opportunities or job offers are listed under the briefcase icon. You can find information about the company representative and send them a message. Swipe right or tap the star icon to select companies to be saved to your favorites. Swipe left or tap the X icon if they're not the best fit for you. Tap the funnel to filter results. Tap the newspaper icon to interact with your newsfeed. The profile icon allows you to view and edit your profile. The paper airplane icon brings you to your direct messages. At the top left is the menu bar. The menu allows you to view your saved opportunities, discover companies, find friends, and change your settings. Thank you for watching.